Hello, everybody. I would like to introduce a robot mill. This is a special design for customer requirement. This is a 500-liter robot mill. More details, we will check it later. The grinding drum is made of 304 stainless steel with a PU liner. PU liner prevents metal impurity contamination from grinding materials. The grinding barrel also equipped with a water cooling jacket. We can fill water from here and inside the water jacket to cooling materials during grinding. Here is inverter for the ball mill. Inside there's a RS485 interface can be connected with the computer for reading grinding date. And the emergency stop switch is with safety cover. And the emergency stop is with safety cover to prevent misoperation by customer. Thank you. The whole machine is finished with a blue color. It brings you a bright feeling. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiry, please contact us by email. Thank you.
Laser technology makes foreign trading easier.